Today, here we are going to discuss the list in HTML of subject Internet Programming. Now, what do you mean by list? One of the most popular methods for organizing information by using list. We can organize the informations using the list concept. HTML present three basic kinds of list. Here we have an order list and definition list. That means here you can observe we have three types of list. If we consider first is an order list and definition list. Now in an order list the list item are marked with the bullets. In order list they are marked with the number of Roman numbers or letters. Definition list are little different. They have pair of value, one of them term, others of definitions. Now, what do you mean by unordered list? What indicate unordered list? The unordered list are specified with the UL tag. Unordered list are specified with the UL tag. Unordered list are used when the order of the item is unimportant. When we don't have a order of any special order, at that times we can use the unordered list. The types of attribute define the bullets used denote the individual list items. Three options are here: dix, circle and square. Now here we are going to discuss the example of list. Here we have one example that is called as a UL type equals to dix. What here we have? UL type equals to dix. Now here you have the LH indicate the heading. UG course we have what here we have written over there UG course and heading we have closing. Now here we have the sub elements that is called as a CSE, EC and electrical that comes under the LI tag, and after that we have closed the UL tag. Now in second types we have used the UL type equals to square. In first where we use the dix, and at the second types here we use the square. In the square we have given the heading that is called as a PG course, where we have the three sub elements MCA, ME and MBA. Now the order list. The order list are specified with the OL tag. What here we have? The order list are specified with the OL tag. They are used when the order of list is significant. What indicate? When there is necessary to write any elements in a specific order, then where we use the order list. The OL element have the types start attributes. The types attributes select the kinds of numbering systems utilized to order the list. Here we are going to see the example of HTML body. Here we use the H4 tag. We know that there are the different types. That means H1 to H6 tags, that is called as heading tags. Here we have where we use the H4 tag, and order list at least where we use the OL type equals to first. Li coffee. These are the sub elements coffee, tea and milk. The written in a tag that is called as the Li tag, where we use the Li, open the tag and close that tag. After that we close the OL tag. After we have closed the body tag. So this is an example of order list tag, that is called as when we require some orders, when we require some elements must be specified in particular order, at that conditions where we going to use the OL tag. Okay. Now what indicate a definitions list? Where we required some definitions, suppose operating system, when we want to give the some definitions, so at that conditions we require to use the list tag. Definition list are specified with the DL tag, where we use the DL tag. Definition list consists of the pair values, the first being with term with the defining and the second being with definitions. DL, here you observe the example DL, DT, satellite dish, DD, antenna like device which functions to be received and concentrate television signal. So it indicate the list. Now the third types here we have, that is called as a fourth types here we have, that is called as a nested list. That means the list is given another list, that is called as a nested list. Any kinds of list, order, unorder or definition can be nested within the another list. What are the different types of list here we have discussed? That can be list nested. an order list and definition list. Here you may have the UL type equals to text, mentions the LI, UG course, OL type equals to I, where we use the sub elements using the LI tag, BE CSE, BE EC, BE electrical. LI, again we close the OL tag. Under that UL tag, again we use the OL tag that comes under the LI PG course, OL type equals to I, LI MECSE, LI MCA, LI MBA, and we close that OL tag and we close the UL tag. So that indicate the nested list. So thank you.